Hello everyone, and welcome to today's tutorial. In this quick video, I'll show you how to remove a status on WhatsApp. Whether you've posted something by mistake or simply want to take it down, I've got you covered. First, open WhatsApp on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now, tap on the Updates tab, which is the first option at the navigation bar at the bottom of the screen. It's usually represented as a chat cloud. Here, you'll see a list of your recent status updates. Find the status you want to remove. Tap on the status you'd like to delete to open it. Once your status is open, look for this arrow at the bottom of the screen. Once you click on it, a pop-up window will show up. Here, click on these three dots in the top right corner. Tap on them to open the Options menu. Among the options, you'll see Delete. Tap on Delete to remove your status. A confirmation dialog will appear. Simply tap Delete once more to confirm that you want to remove the status. And that's it! You've successfully removed your status on WhatsApp. It's a quick and easy process to undo any status updates you no longer want to share. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more WhatsApp tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.